This is how to get virtual address in USA. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to get your physical or call it virtual address in USA. Why will you need physical address in USA? You can use your physical address for many online registration. You can use it to register your Nigerian business. You can also use it to set up online businesses that require physical address in the US. You can use it to run your dropshipping business in the US right from Nigeria. And lastly, you can use it for your international shopping from Nigeria, such that you'll be able to receive your package via FedEx and UPS, because this is highly recognized by many carriers in the US. I'll be taking you through a company that will help you get your physical or virtual address for free. Yes, at no cost to you. Therefore, I'll be taking you through steps to register with this company and how you can go about it very fast. So let's do it. Here is John from Ask JOFA. I review different online businesses and programs that accept and pay Nigerians. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. It will help you to know whenever I publish my new videos every week. Also, use the links below the description of this video. It will help you to navigate different businesses and online programs that accept and pay Nigerians, and you'll be able to get your money direct to your bank account in Nigeria. At the end of this video, I'll be taking you through how I make money online via affiliate marketing and how you can start right now from Nigeria. But to the business of today, how to get your physical address in USA. So let's do it. This website will help you get your virtual or physical address in USA. Look at it, buy what you want and we ship to you. Shop in any US store and ship it to your new US address. Combine all your packages and this website will ship all your goods to you, so you don't need to be in US to make purchases, and your goods are safe because this website is very legit and real. These are several e-commerce stores you can purchase from. To get your virtual and physical address in USA is free. All you need to do is to click this place, sign up, choose your membership. Look at it, single package, standard membership is $0 per year, is free. Look at what you get with this free package. You'll be able to get free USA shipping address, free EU shipping address, consolidate package, email and chat support. So all you just need to do is to select this. You fill in all this form, your name, surname, you state your country and from Nigeria, my email address, your password, you confirm your password. This is optional, so I left it. Then you can click anything you want here. Then you click create your account. The next thing you do is to check your email address to confirm if your account is created. You've sent a message to your email with a link, so you have to go to your email to activate it. You can see this, the email. You click it. When you click it, all you need to do is to confirm. Click confirm, activate account. So all you need to do is to sign up. You can see my account is created. Hello John. See what next? Now that you have a Shipito address, you can use that address to shop on almost any site. Just use your address during checkout. We'll let you know when your item arrive at warehouse. Start shopping and ship to your Shipito address. When you shop, they will ship to your address, which is the address this company provided. When your goods get to this warehouse will now ship to you in Nigeria or in any country you find yourself, because they operate and deal with over 220 countries, which include Nigeria. Click here to copy your address. All you need to do is to copy your full address. You can now use it on any e-commerce store online in US, and you enjoy all the discounts and benefits that goes with it as if you are in US. Thank you. So this is how to get virtual or physical address in USA. Thank you. You now know how to get your physical address or call it virtual address in USA right here from Nigeria. All you need to do is to use that link and register. It is free. You can now start any business you like to do that require US physical address online for your registration. You can make a purchase and get your goods directly to your location in Nigeria. I earlier promised to let you know what I do for a living. I make a full-time income online via affiliate marketing. I got to know everything about affiliate marketing via the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. They trained me and helped me to build a robust online business. Today, I now partner with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and many companies online from Nigeria. You can start learning via this company by watching this video. It's going to change your life just like it changes mine. You will see my success story and how I make money via affiliate marketing, and you'll be able to join if you follow my instruction. through that video. Kindly use my link. That is the only way I can see you and help you inside the training platform. Also, you can join my free email affiliate marketing training. It is just 5 days. Just go to askjofa.com and you'll be able to have a rough idea of how affiliate marketing works right here from Nigeria. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell. It will help many Nigerians to see this video. Also, drop your comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. The next video will show you how I joined the #1 affiliate marketing training center, and the second video will show you the various benefits that you can enjoy and start doing businesses online as an affiliate marketer from Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. Bye for now.